LSAM, South Korea's long-range surface-to-air missile system, history, present and future. Introduction. The LSAM long-range surface-to-air missile is an advanced missile defense system under development in South Korea designed primarily to counter missile threats from North Korea. The system is a key component of South Korea's multi-layered air defense strategy aiming to enhance the country's defensive capabilities against evolving threats, particularly ballistic missiles such as the KN-23 and KN-24. This report outlines the development history, current status and future prospects of the LSAM program. Development history. 1. Initiation 2019. The LSAM project officially commenced in 2019, spearheaded by the Agency for Defense Development (ADD) in collaboration with LIG Nex1, a major South Korean defense contractor. The aim was to create a system that could intercept ballistic missiles at higher altitudes and longer ranges compared to existing systems. 2. Completion of Block I, May 2024. By May 2024, the development of LSAM Block I was completed and the system was declared combat-ready by the Defense Acquisition Program Administration (DAPA). Block I is designed to intercept targets at ranges up to 150 km and altitudes between 40 and 60 km. 3. Initial production 2025. Following the successful completion of Block I, initial mass production is set to begin in 2025 with plans for deployment to the Republic of Korea Air Force by 2028. 4. Funding for LSAM-2. April 2023, DAPA approved a budget of 2.71 trillion Korean won, approximately $1.86 billion for the development of LSAM-2, which is expected to enhance interception capabilities against hypersonic threats and intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs). The development of LSAM-2 is projected to occur from 2024 to 2035. 5. Launch of LSAM-2 development January 2025. On January 15, 2025, DAPA officially launched the development of LSAM-2 with an investment of 567.7 billion Korean won, approximately $389.8 million, marking a significant step in advancing South Korea's missile defense capabilities. System composition and performance. The LSAM system consists of several key components. Multifunction radar. This advanced radar system is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously and is essential for the effective guidance of the interceptors. Command and Control Center. This center coordinates the overall functioning of the missile defense system, integrating data from various sensors and directing missile launches. Combat Control Station. This station manages operational tasks and facilitates real-time decision-making during engagements. Launchers. The system includes 4 truck-mounted launchers with 2 designated for anti-aircraft roles and 2 for anti-ballistic missile functions. Each launcher can carry 6 missiles. Performance capabilities. Range. LSAM Block I can intercept targets up to 150 km away. Altitude. Engagement altitudes range from 40 to 60 km for Block I, with LSAM-2 expected to extend this to 180 km. Speed. The maximum speed of LSAM missiles can reach Mach 9, approximately 3,100 meters per second or 11,000 km per hour. Key technologies and testing. The LSAM employs several advanced technologies including hot launch system. Unlike cold launch systems, LSAM uses a hot launch mechanism, which provides advantages in terms of response time and missile trajectory. Hit-to-kill capability. The missile is designed to intercept targets directly using a kinetic kill vehicle utilizing infrared sensors and precise flight control for effective target engagement. Successful tests. From November 2022 to June 2023, the LSAM successfully intercepted 3 out of 4 test targets, demonstrating its effectiveness in realistic scenarios. Future prospects. The future of the LSAM program looks promising with several strategic developments on the horizon. 1. LSAM-2 enhancements. The development of LSAM-2 aims to bolster interception capabilities further, particularly against high-altitude and hypersonic threats. This next-generation system will incorporate advanced missile types including glide-phase interceptors. 2. Low-Altitude Missile Defense System LAMD. Alongside LSAM, South Korea is accelerating the development of a low-altitude missile defense system, dubbed the Korean Iron Dome. This system is intended to address threats from North Korean long-range artillery with further development planned from 2025 to 2028. 3. Integrated Defense Strategy. The LSAM system is part of South Korea's broader Korean Air and Missile Defense KAMD initiative, which aims to create a comprehensive and multi-layered defense architecture. This includes integrating existing systems like the Patriot PAC-3 and KMSAM into a cohesive network to enhance national security. For geopolitical implications, as tensions on the Korean peninsula persist, the LSAM program will play a critical role in deterring aggression from North Korea and reassuring allies, particularly the United States. The advanced capabilities of LSAM will contribute to regional stability and security. Conclusion. The LSAM program represents a significant advancement in South Korea's missile defense capabilities, reflecting the country's commitment to enhancing its security in the face of evolving threats. With the successful completion of Block I and the ambitious plans for LSAM-2, South Korea is poised to strengthen its defense posture and maintain strategic stability in the region. The ongoing development of complementary systems such as the LAMD further underscores the comprehensive approach being taken to address the challenges posed by North Korea's missile arsenal. As these technologies mature, they will not only enhance South Korea's defense capabilities but also play a pivotal role in the broader security architecture of East Asia. The LSAM long-range surface-to-air missile system represents a significant advancement in South Korea's defense capabilities, particularly in response to the persistent threats posed by North Korea. The development of this multi-layered missile defense system is not only a reaction to immediate security concerns but also reflects a broader strategic initiative aimed at enhancing national defense autonomy and technological prowess. Counterintuitive aspects of LSAM development. 1. Perception of threat versus actual capability. While the LSAM is being developed primarily as a countermeasure against North Korean ballistic missiles, it also serves a dual purpose by enhancing South Korea's overall air defense against conventional air threats such as aircraft and cruise missiles. This dual functionality may not be apparent at first glance, as the media often emphasizes the ballistic missile threat without acknowledging the broader spectrum of aerial threats that the LSAM can address. 2. Investment in technology amid economic pressures. The substantial financial investment in the LSAM-2 development, particularly during uncertain economic times, may seem counterintuitive. South Korea is prioritizing defense spending despite potential domestic economic challenges. This highlights a national consensus on the necessity of advanced defense systems over other public spending priorities, which may not be immediately evident to outside observers who expect economic pressures to curtail military expenditures. 3. Indigenous development versus reliance on foreign systems. South Korea's push for the LSAM system underscores a shift towards self-reliance in defense technologies, which contrasts with the historical reliance on U.S. military systems like the Patriot missile. This move toward indigenous development may seem counterintuitive given the efficiency and effectiveness of established foreign systems. However, the LSAM's development reflects a strategic choice to build domestic capabilities that can be tailored to specific national security needs. Despite the challenges involved in developing such complex systems independently. For capability enhancements beyond initial goals, the LSAM-2 is designed to improve upon the already robust capabilities of the original LSAM, including enhancements aimed at intercepting hypersonic missiles and intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs). The fact that South Korea is planning to develop even more advanced interceptors shortly after the initial system's deployment challenges the conventional timeline for defense system development, which usually sees gradual improvements over longer periods. 5. Integration with other defense systems. The integration of LSAM with other defense initiatives such as the Low Altitude Missile Defense LAMD system may appear to complicate the defense architecture. However, this layered defense strategy is a calculated approach to create a comprehensive shield against diverse threats. The counterintuitive aspect lies in the potential redundancy created by multiple systems, which is often criticized but can enhance overall resilience against sophisticated attacks. 6. Public perception versus military necessity. While there may be public concerns about escalating military capabilities leading to regional arms races, the South Korean government perceives these developments as necessary deterrents against North Korean provocations. The juxtaposition of public sentiment against military necessity highlights a complex dynamic where national security priorities can clash with broader geopolitical concerns. 7. Technological innovation in a regional context. The LSAM's development is occurring in a region marked by rapid technological advancements in missile systems, including those of North Korea, China, and Russia. The decision to prioritize the LSAM's advancement at this time reflects a proactive stance in a competitive technological environment, which may seem counterintuitive in a period where many nations are reconsidering their military investments due to changing global dynamics. Conclusion: the LSAM system embodies South Korea's strategic response to a multifaceted security environment. Its development not only showcases technological advancements but also highlights the complex interplay of national security imperatives, economic considerations, and geopolitical realities. Understanding these counterintuitive elements provides a deeper insight into South Korea's defense strategy and the broader implications for regional stability. The LSAM long-range surface-to-air missile system is a pivotal development in South Korea's defense strategy, specifically tailored to counter threats from North Korea. While the report provides a comprehensive overview of its history, development capabilities, and future plans, several critical aspects may be overlooked by the general public. Yet they hold significant implications for regional security dynamics and military strategy. 1. Technological advancements and strategic autonomy. The LSAM program signifies a substantial leap in South Korea's indigenous defense capabilities, moving away from reliance on foreign systems like the U.S. Patriot missiles. The report mentions that the LSAM outperforms existing systems, almost doubling their performance. This development is crucial as it reflects South Korea's increasing self-reliance in defense technology and its ability to innovate independently. The significance lies in the fact that technological self-sufficiency can lead to enhanced national security and stability in the region, reducing vulnerabilities associated with dependency on external military suppliers. 2. Response to North Korean threats. The LSAM is explicitly designed to intercept North Korea's ballistic missiles, particularly the KN-23 and KN-24, which are threats to South Korean security. The system's ability to engage targets at ranges of 150 kilometers and altitudes up to 60 kilometers allows for a more robust defense posture. Notably, the development of LSAM-2 aims to counter not only ballistic missiles but also hypersonic threats, indicating a proactive approach to evolving military challenges. This underscores the importance of continuous adaptation in military strategy, especially in the face of advancing technologies from adversaries. 3. Multi-layered defense strategy. A critical aspect often overlooked is the integration of the LSAM within a broader multi-layered missile defense strategy known as the Korean Air and Missile Defense KAMD project. The LSAM serves as an upper-tier defense system complementing lower-tier systems like the Patriot PAC-3 and KM-SAM. This integration is significant because it represents a holistic approach to air defense, ensuring that South Korea can effectively counter a range of aerial threats. The multi-tiered system enhances survivability and resilience against potential saturation attacks from North Korea. 4. Economic and industrial implications. The financial commitments associated with the LSAM development, including a 2.71 trillion Korean won's investment for LSAM-2, highlight the economic dimensions of defense procurement. The involvement of around 19 companies in the development process indicates a significant boost to South Korea's defense industrial base, promoting local industry and job creation. This economic aspect is important as it intertwines national security with economic growth, demonstrating how defense spending can stimulate broader economic benefits and technological advancements within the country. 5. Regional security dynamics. The technological advancements and increased military capabilities represented by the LSAM could have profound implications for regional security dynamics. As South Korea enhances its missile defense capabilities, this may provoke reactions from neighboring countries, particularly North Korea and China. The report hints at this by discussing the need for countermeasures against North Korean threats, but the broader implications of an arms race or increased military posturing in the region deserve more attention. The development of advanced defense systems can lead to escalated tensions and necessitate diplomatic efforts to manage security concerns. 6. Future developments and strategic planning. The planned development of LSAM-2 and the Low-Altitude Missile Defense LAMD system reflect a forward-looking defense strategy. The timeline for LSAM-2's development from 2024 to 2035 indicates a long-term commitment to enhancing South Korea's defense capabilities. This strategic planning is significant as it shows an understanding of the need to future-proof military capabilities against anticipated threats. The emphasis on countering high-altitude and hypersonic threats is particularly noteworthy, as it aligns with global military trends and the need for advanced interception technologies. 7. Impact on U.S.-South Korea relations. Finally, the advancements in the LSAM program could influence the nature of U.S.-South Korea military relations. While the U.S. has traditionally been a key player in South Korea's defense, the LSAM's development showcases South Korea's evolving role as a capable partner. This shift could lead to a re-evaluation of defense cooperation dynamics with potential implications for joint military exercises, technology sharing, and operational planning. In conclusion, while the LSAM's technical specifications and development timeline are crucial, the broader implications of its development for South Korea's strategic autonomy, regional security dynamics, economic impact, and future military planning are equally significant. These aspects warrant more attention as they shape the security landscape in Northeast Asia and influence the strategic choices of both South Korea and its adversaries. 1. Development timeline and strategic context. The LSAM's development timeline, beginning in 2019 and projected to culminate in deployment by 2028, is crucial for understanding South Korea's defense strategy in response to North Korean threats. The completion of LSAM Block I in May 2024 and the initiation of LSAM-2 development in early 2025 signify a structured approach to enhancing national security. This timeline also reflects South Korea's commitment to advancing its military technology domestically, indicating a shift towards greater self-reliance in defense capabilities. 2. Technical specifications and performance. The LSAM's technical specifications highlight its advanced capabilities compared to existing systems like the Patriot and KAMD. With an effective interception range of 150 km and a flight ceiling of up to 60 km, the LSAM demonstrates superior performance, particularly in intercepting ballistic missiles. The planned enhancements for LSAM-2, aiming for altitudes up to 180 km, position South Korea to effectively counter evolving threats, including hypersonic missiles. This technical edge is vital for deterrence and defense in a region marked by increasing military tensions. 3. Investment and economic implications. The substantial financial commitment to the LSAM program, including the 2.71 trillion Korean wons earmarked for LSAM-2 and the 567.7 billion Korean wons for initial development, underscores the economic and strategic importance of missile defense in South Korea. These investments not only bolster national defense but also stimulate the domestic defense industry, fostering innovation and job creation. The involvement of multiple companies, including LIG Nex1 and Hanwha Aerospace, indicates a collaborative approach that can enhance technological advancements and competitiveness in the global defense market. For future defense strategies and regional stability, the LSAM program's future developments, including the low-altitude missile defense LAMD system, reflect South Korea's proactive stance in safeguarding its territory and regional stability. As North Korea continues to advance its missile capabilities, South Korea's multi-layered defense approach aims to mitigate potential threats effectively. The strategic integration of systems like LSAM and LAMD not only enhances national security but also contributes to the broader security dynamics in Northeast Asia, influencing relations with neighboring countries and the United States. This ongoing evolution in defense strategy is crucial for maintaining a balance of power in a volatile region. 1. Patriot Missile Defense System. United States. Developed by Raytheon, the Patriot missile system is a long-standing air defense system used by the United States and many allied countries. Initially deployed in the 1980s, it has undergone multiple upgrades to enhance its capabilities, particularly in intercepting tactical ballistic missiles and aircraft. The system gained widespread attention during the Gulf War, where its effectiveness against Scud missiles was a focal point of military discussion. Similar to South Korea's LSAM, the Patriot system is designed to provide multi-layered defense against various aerial threats, showcasing the evolution of missile defense technologies over decades. 2. THAAD Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. United States. This advanced missile defense system is designed to intercept and destroy short, medium, and intermediate-range ballistic missiles during their terminal phase of flight. Deployed in several locations worldwide, including South Korea, THAAD utilizes a hit-to-kill approach and advanced radar systems for tracking and interception. The deployment of THAAD in South Korea has been a significant factor in the region's security dynamics, particularly in response to North Korean missile threats, paralleling the motivations behind the development of the LSAM system. 3. Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense System. United States. A naval defense system that uses powerful radar and missile interceptors to track and destroy incoming ballistic missiles. Aegis is operational on U.S. Navy ships and has been integrated with land-based systems. The Aegis system has been continually upgraded and tested, demonstrating its capabilities in various military exercises and real-world scenarios. Its multi-layered approach to missile defense is akin to the strategy employed by South Korea, with the LSAM focusing on both airborne and ballistic threats to enhance national security. Future outlook for LSAM Long-Range Surface-to-Air Missile System. The LSAM system, developed by South Korea, represents a significant advancement in missile defense technology aimed at countering threats from North Korea and enhancing national security. As we look to the future, several key predictions can be made regarding the system's development, operational implementation, and its broader implications within the geopolitical landscape. 1. Advancements in technology and capabilities. LSAM-2 development. The ongoing development of the LSAM-2, expected to significantly enhance the intercept capabilities of the original LSAM system, will likely be a focal point in the coming years. With an investment of approximately 567.7 billion Korean won's $389.8 million planned through 2028, LSAM-2 aims to intercept missiles at greater altitudes up to 180 kilometers in ranges, providing a more robust defense against advanced threats including hypersonic missiles and intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs). Integration of advanced sensors. Future iterations of the LSAM will likely incorporate advanced sensor technologies and artificial intelligence to improve target tracking and engagement efficiency. This could include enhanced radar systems capable of detecting stealthy and low-flying threats, further solidifying South Korea's missile defense architecture. 2. Operational readiness and deployment. Deployment timeline. The initial deployment of the LSAM system is anticipated to begin in 2028, with full operational capability expected shortly thereafter. This timeline will be critical as tensions on the Korean peninsula continue to evolve. The successful integration of the LSAM into the Republic of Korea Air Force ROCAF will enhance South Korea's layered defense strategy, complementing existing systems like the Patriot PAC-3 and KMSAM. Training and exercises. as the LSAM system becomes operational. Extensive training programs and joint exercises with allied forces, particularly the United States, will be essential. This will ensure that personnel are well prepared to operate the new systems effectively and respond to potential threats swiftly. 3. Geopolitical implications. Regional security dynamics. The LSAM system's capabilities are expected to shift the security dynamics in Northeast Asia. As South Korea bolsters its missile defense, North Korea may respond by advancing its missile technology and expanding its arsenal, potentially leading to an arms race in the region. This could further complicate diplomatic efforts aimed at denuclearization and peace. Strengthening alliances. South Korea's investment in advanced missile defense is likely to enhance its military cooperation with the United States and other allies in the region. Joint exercises and technology sharing will be crucial in countering the missile threats posed by North Korea, fostering greater interoperability among allied forces. 4. Economic and industrial growth. Domestic defense industry boost. The development of the LSAM and its subsequent upgrades are expected to drive growth in South Korea's defense industry. With multiple companies involved, including LIG Nex1 and Hanwha Aerospace, the program will create jobs and spur technological innovation within the country. This could also position South Korea as a potential exporter of missile defense technology to allied nations seeking to enhance their own capabilities. Investment in research and development. The financial commitments to LSAM-2 and related systems will likely catalyze further investments in defense R&D, promoting advancements not just in missile defense but across various sectors of military technology. This trend could lead to breakthroughs in related areas such as cybersecurity and drone warfare. 5. Challenges and considerations. Evolving threat landscape. As missile technology continues to advance, South Korea will need to remain vigilant and adaptable. The development of countermeasures by North Korea, including decoys and electronic warfare capabilities, poses a challenge that the LSAM system must be equipped to address. Public perception and political factors. The deployment of advanced missile defense systems may generate mixed reactions domestically and internationally. South Korean citizens may have concerns about escalating tensions with North Korea, while neighboring countries, particularly China and Russia, may view the system as a threat to regional stability. Navigating these political landscapes will be crucial for the South Korean government. Conclusion. The future of the LSAM system holds significant promise for enhancing South Korea's missile defense capabilities in response to ongoing threats. As the program progresses, its technological advancements, operational readiness, geopolitical implications, and effects on the domestic defense industry will shape not only South Korea's defense posture but also the broader security environment in Northeast Asia. Continuous adaptation and cooperation with allies will be essential to ensure that the LSAM system remains effective in a rapidly changing threat landscape.